welcome to Immune Teaches. I hope you guys are fine and doing well. This is the first tutorial in the whole series of PHP. We are going to learn PHP. PHP is a server-side language. It is mainly used in web backend, but there are also some other applications. It is the most commonly used it is the most commonly used language. Uh, Most commonly used server-side language. It has many frameworks including Laravel, WordPress. These all use PHP, and it's a must-have skill to have if you're a web developer. Uh, it's not too difficult. It's a really easy language, and in this whole series, I'll be teaching you PHP, the basics of PHP, loops, variables, arrays, stuff like that. And we're also gonna make a project, a simple project, which performs the CRUD functionality of create, read, update, and delete. So this is our first tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna just give you an overview of PHP, what it is, and what things are needed uh, to get started in PHP. So first of all, you need to install Exam. Exam is a server like this. I have installed it in local disk C. Here it is. You just need to Google it, write, download, or install Exam, and open the first link, and you can easily get it. And that's it. You can easily get it there. Get it from there. And here is the text editor I'm using. I'm using Atom. It's a very it's a good text editor with lot of packages and stuff like that. However, you can also use Sublime if you want, or some any other text editor like Dreamweaver can also do the job. So let's get started. Let's make our first PHP file. Another advantage of PHP is that it is very easy to integrate into your browser. Very easy to integrate into your browser. So that's a big advantage of PHP, and that's where lots of PHP is still in use today. Uh, it is being somehow replaced, but uh, is being used today extensively, especially its frameworks. So let's get started with PHP, and let's make up our first file, and let's make a PHP file and output it to the browser. Let's do it. So here is, you can go to file and make a new file. Here is new file and save it. I'm gonna save it in PHP tuts, and I'm gonna name it PHP file. This is camel case dot PHP. And here we go. Now let me put the tags, HTML tags. And here we go, HTML and HTML. There are no prerequisites of this course, but you need to know basic HTML and CSS, and you're good to go. And here I have a body tag, and here another body tag. So this is it. This is to embed, use PHP in your browser. You need to just put like that, right here PHP, and close it up. So inside here you can write any PHP you want, any PHP you want. So let me write here is echo this. Sorry for my typing. This is my first PHP file, and thank you for watching. And here we go. Put a colon right there, and we're good to go. Now we're gonna view this. This is my first PHP file, and we let me tell you, we use echo to print in PHP. We use echo to print in PHP. This is our first PHP file, and now we're gonna view it in browser. So let's go. To view it in browser, you need to go to XM. And one more thing, the file which you're gonna make to view it in browser should be in the folder htdocs, like this. It should be in the folder htdocs. Htdocs is a folder in Exam. Click Exam, and here is htdocs, and here is PHP tuts, and here is PHP file. To view it in browser, you have to keep all your files in htdocs. You need to install Exam, and there is a folder in Exam known as htdocs, and keep your all files. Make a folder of it, or you can keep it otherwise without making a folder, but it will just look messy. So make a folder of it and keep it there. Really easy and simple. Keep it there in htdocs folder. htdocs folder. Keep your files there. So I have kept my file in htdocs. So let's start exam. Exam is started. If you press exam control, it will be started. It will start. So here you can see this icon, it started. And here we are gonna use in exam. There is Apache. Exams come with Apache and MySQL. They are already started. They are already working in my, but I will first stop it and then I beginning. Now you can see it stopped, and you need to click start to start them, and Apache started. So here we go, Apache started. Now you need to just open Google and get in the address. So there you can to run your file, you can either get a live server or you can work on localhost. I'm working on localhost and my Apache is running on localhost because I've installed exam on my local computer. So I'm working through my localhost. So here is Apache is working. It started. Now my Google is opening. It's taking some time. I need to change my PC. It's very slow. So here, no, not yet. So here we go localhost, which is our host, and here we go. I have PHP tuts, I think so. Need to see the folder. What spellings? Yes, PHP tuts was the folder. Here we go PHP tuts and backslash PHP file. I hope that's right. Dot PHP. And let's see, and this is my first PHP file. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial. Keep watching MU Teaches. Thank you very much.